another full bathroom remodel. Today is day one, so we're gonna pack up our demo tools, hook the trailer up, get to the project. Let's get at it. Monday morning, work harder, nobody cares. Here we go. And here we are at our client's house. Trailer is parked, ready for debris. These are the tools that we're gonna need for this entire demo. One-handed recip saw, multi-tool, and screw gun. And of course, some hand tools as well. Fiberglass surround. Let's show you this existing bathroom. Here we go. Stick and peel. Flooring. This will be removed. Baseboard will be removed. Deleting this cabinet, deleting the mirror. New deco, light will go in, new vent, fan will go in, new toilet. Here's the surround, your typical fiberglass surround. This should be, again, a 6 to 7 day project. Here we go. Time to get to it. Okay, the floor is removed. Our fiberglass surround is removed. Everything took about 45 minutes. The toilet will stay for now. We cannot shut off the water underneath the vanity. So we're going to shut off the water to the house. R and R, the angle stops under there. Delete this vanity and then get to the tub. Install our fiberglass tub, install our new valve, and that'll be it for the day. Day two, bright and early. We got a lot done yesterday. We are going to get a lot done today. Let's quickly show you the garage setup and then we'll take you inside and show you our tiny space that we're working in. Bathroom remodel, shower remodel. Here's the tile, 12 by 24. We are obtaining our layout. We want halves and fulls with this 50% offset vertically to start at the tub flange and halves and fulls to end at the bottom of the niche. All set will be used today for our Curdy membrane, which will cover the drywall that's up on the top of the shower, our Curdy band. Let's show you the small, tiny space we're working with today. We have our AC unit blowing. Gets a little stuffy in this small area with two guys working quickly. Working hard. Little table here, screws and washers, Curdy board. Again, we're gonna hang the Curdy board here, run our Curdy membrane at the top, installing our 12 by 24 niche back wall over here. But again, we got a lot of work to do today. Hang the Curdy board, waterproof, the walls waterproof, the niche, and then we are going to start tiling.